This is Bob. He works with one of the largest staffing and recruiting companies in the world. His job is to manage data related to new opportunities. Sounds simple, right? But his manual spreadsheet-based process is quite complex. Bob and his team members have to build and sift through nearly 200 Excel sheets for each new opportunity. This created a high risk of confusion, potential document loss, and error. When our experts developed a web application to digitize this process, it simplified opportunity creation. All Bob had to do was choose the right template and input data. He could access and recover this data as needed. This new process simplified Bob's daily tasks and provided multiple benefits. Bob was able to collaborate and share data easily with other teams. They could all access the centrally located data and more easily control opportunity design, implementation, and operations. Along with increased scalability, they gained enhanced security. A role-based access feature ensured client data remained secure, no matter what. Their new centralized data management system has improved both productivity and the overall user experience. Are you ready to digitize your legacy or manual systems? Get in touch with our experts today.